Well, ahead of this cold front that we're tracking that's going to make its way in tonight, we are seeing some showers across the area, most of that ranging just south of Stillwater towards Ponca City, trying to move in over towards Osage County, which they would graciously appreciate considering we've been dealing with a lot of those wildfires out there. So we are going to continue to keep a slight chance early this afternoon to see some rain. But like I mentioned, the bulk of the rain really isn't going to arrive until late tonight. We're talking just after 7 o'clock, likely closer to that 8 o'clock hour. So we'll go more in detail here in just a little bit, but taking a live view outside, we've got mostly cloudy skies all across the area. You could see that ranging from Grand Lake here over towards Brookside as well, all part of Wade's RV Weather Camera Network. Shaky cameras, to say the least. It has been very gusty once again ahead of this storm system. So right now we're seeing temperatures in the upper 70s, 79 here in Tulsa, and then we're seeing a few reaching the 80-degree mark. But with the winds, I mean, we're seeing 24-mile-per-hour wind gusts Tulsa, 35 over towards Pawnee, 33 in Pryor. These are going to continue to stay relatively strong. We're talking upwards of 35, if not 40 miles per hour. So as we time out those winds, of course, fire danger is still going to be high for today as we're still seeing the dry conditions, but things are finally going to change for us. So here's about 9 o'clock tonight. We're still seeing the very strong southerly winds, but then once this north wind starts to move in, as in that cold front, the winds really look to die down for your Thursday. In fact, expect very calm northerly winds to filter in. Now, of course, with this front does come rain chances, in fact, storm chances that do have the potential to be strong to severe. So let's time this out. Here we can have, like I mentioned, a few showers and storms ahead of this front. But once it starts to move in, still a little disorganized. Here's about 7 o'clock. It does look a little bit more delayed. We're talking closer to that 8 o'clock hour. And then once we approach Tulsa, it does look to be between 10 and then leaving our area just about midnight. So we're going to be monitoring this as it tries to get organized, still producing damaging winds across the area. Heavy amounts of rain. Some will get a little bit more than others, but here's midnight over towards Pryor, Okmulgee as it continues to push further towards the south. Here's about 3 a.m. reaching the end of our viewing area after 4 o'clock. And then after that, very quiet conditions look to be in the forecast for us. In terms of severe weather potential, we do have that enhanced risk. That's 3 out of 5 for strong to severe storms. They did go ahead and expand that. That does include in portions of Mayes County, Tulsa, all the way down towards Enid. So they did expand this. So we'll be monitoring. Main threat right now does look to be the winds, damaging winds. Once again, they went ahead and expanded that as well. A few of these storms could produce large hail, so keep that in mind. But what we're really watching is the chance for an isolated tornado or two. This was a little bit smaller, but as you can see, they really pushed that further towards the west. So we're going to be monitoring Osage County, Washington County, even portions of Tulsa County for a chance for a spin of tornadoes. So we'll be monitoring that, of course, late tonight. And in terms of rain, we could on average see at least half an inch all across the board to an inch. And of course, a few will see more than that. And that's just for tonight. That's not including the future. After that, any trick-or-treater plans out there tomorrow night? Looks perfect. Quiet conditions, 58 degrees by 8 o'clock. And then this weekend, we are finally talking about some more beneficial rain moving in Saturday, Sunday, Monday, even on into your Tuesday. And don't forget, we fall back Sunday morning.